Welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, I'm Claudia. And in this video, I am going to show you how I care for my skin on an affordable skincare regimen. I filmed a video last night, early this morning. The two are interchangeable at this point, so yes, I filmed a video, ate, cleaned up the kitchen, and now I'm going to show you how I'm going to clear my skin. It was a NYX Lippy Sweet Chateau lookbook video. And I ate, and my lipstick is still pretty. So kudos to NYX Cosmetics for making such beautiful full color lip oils. First thing I'm going to do is get my wig out of the way. Mind you, I could have had it on the wig stand in the closet and my curls under my brown satin bonnet, but I didn't want to treat you to that. So here's the wig pulled up. And now that everything is sufficiently pulled back, pent up, and out of the way, what I do is go into my pack of Parents' Choice 80 wipes, baby wipes with shea butter that I get from Walmart. I love them because you get 80 wipes for a very affordable price, and they're soft and gentle on the skin. It takes me, I would say, approximately 4 to 5 wipes before I feel like the first round of the cleaning is done. Now this baby here is Biore. Free Your Pores Charcoal Cleanser, great for oily skin, and my skin is indeed oily. And I was just informed about this pad from Equate Beauty by my friend who had shared the charcoal cleanser with me. This little woven facial buff is delightful. It cleanses your skin without being so abrasive. It's perfect for weekly exfoliation. I love it. Sometimes when you think you have done enough scrubbing and cleaning and wiping to get the makeup off your face, you clean it again with another routine. This time I'm using the scrubbing pad, and you find, oh, okay, there's still more makeup to come. So make sure you clean your face well enough to get all traces of the makeup. And here is one of my delightfully refreshing apricot scrubs from Equate Beauty. Oh my goodness, I love this brand, Equate Beauty, because this scrub has natural extracts and it leaves your skin feeling smooth and invigorating. I love its oil-free formula, and it's dermatologist tested with no sulfates and parabens. Yes. And you can find it at the dollar store and Walmart. And here's another favorite of mine. Thayer's Witch Hazel Aloe Vera Formula. Lavender scented, alcohol-free toner derived from a time-honored Native American formula. This toner will leave your skin feeling so healthy and fresh. I love this Studio Siletz oil-free moisturizer for sensitive skin. You can even compare this to Neutrogena oil-free moisture-sensitive skin. It's fragrance-free. It absolutely won't clog your pores. At least it doesn't clog mine. And it also is dermatologist tested and hypoallergenic. It is a very affordable product at Walmart. Moisturize away. Since I filmed the Lippy Lookbook, my lips were a wee bit sore, so that's why I'm putting the Vaseline on them. Now, I know you're wondering what the peroxide and baking soda is for. White teeth, fresh breath. My grandmother used to use this combo all the time, and she shared it with me when I was very young. She said the peroxide will whiten your teeth, and the baking soda freshens the breath, the mouth, the gums. And I've been using it for a while now, and I can say it is indeed true. And this takes us to the end of this video. Thank you so much for watching. I enjoyed sharing my affordable skincare routine with you. It makes me want to dance to have a clean face at the end of a night, at the end of an event, at the end of the day. And not only that, but clean teeth and a fresh mouth feel great as well. Since I haven't done a voiceover in a long time, I don't feel badly about it. Like, oh my God, I did a voiceover throughout most of the video. But I like voiceovers. They give me a chance to listen to myself and shine in my own spotlight. Bye.